upload drone data to the Agremo application for processing. First step is to compress our data. So we go to our SD card, go to Right folder, and select all data. You can see we have T files and JPEG files. This dataset is collected with DJI Mavic 3 Multispectral drone. Agremo is supporting processing both JPEGs and T files at once. So we'll select all data, right-click, and compress it to a zip file. I will skip this part. I already have my data zipped, as you can see here. Now, next step is to add a field. We can do that by using Add Field button here, or we have it also in the field list. So add field. Now we will use field name, field description, select the country, enter location, and field owner. Now we click the Save button. Now it is time to add our field boundary. So we can do that in two ways. First way is to do it manually, and the second way to import as a KML or shape file. So to navigate to our field, we will use Search Field Location option. Now we will navigate to our fields, which is right here. Click on Draw Polygon and manually create annotation. When we create annotation, we will also receive satellite imagery for this area of interest. And the second way to do that is to import like a shape or KML file, which are compressed. Click here. Navigate to our file and click Open. Now we have our field boundaries imported. We click the Save button, and now I will show you how to successfully add your data for the processing. So we go to our field, click on the new map. Now we will give this map the name. Choose a date when we collected the data, and select camera or sensors type. Most of our users using RGB sensors, but we are also supporting multispectral sensors. Since we collected this data with Mavic 3 Multispectral and we want to process RGB and multispectral data at once, we will select this option. Now we have two ways to import our data. Upload like a file. So we choose a file. Navigate to our raw data. And click Open. I need to add here that if internet connection is slow, or if internet connection is interrupted at any point, the upload will be stopped, and you will need to do this process again. So we are suggesting to our customers to use Import via Public URL option, because in that way, two servers are communicating with each other, and we do not have any problem if the internet connection is broke. So to import via public URL, you will need to upload your data to some drive storage, such as a G drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. So we go to our drive, we have our raw data here, go to share. What is important that sharing permissions need to be set to editor. So we copy link, no backdrop location, paste this link, and click Save button. When you click Save button, we will receive the notification that our processing is starts. I want to show you how that field is looking when it's finished. We go to the field list, go to our field, we have our map here. And you can see our map is ready for usage. Now we need just to annotate this map and request the appropriate analysis. I want to share with you what are the most common reasons for unsuccessful upload. That is uncompressed data. If you have uncompressed data, upload will fail. So if we have data like this and select all these images and try to upload to Agremo application, it will be failed because it needs to be compressed. Also, one thing when the upload will fail is when we have multiple compressed folders in one folder, like here. You can see we have compressed folder, then subfolder, and in that subfolder, 3 more compressed folders. Also, the minimum number of images per upload to Agremo application is 10. Thank you.